Prime Minister Narendra Modi is on 3-day visit to Somnath. The Prime Minister landed at the helipad near the famous Somnath temple in Gir Somnath district on Saturday to participate in the Somnath Swabhiman Parv, marking 1,000 years since the first recorded attack on the historic Somnath temple and celebrating its enduring resilience. Now, the grand event featured Omkar Mantra chanting and a spectacular drone and light show. And today, Prime Minister, in fact, will take part in a series of engagements as part of the ongoing Somnath Swabhiman Parv. Let me walk you through the details and what the itinerary is going to look like for the Prime Minister today. At 9:45 this morning, the Prime Minister will participate in a Shaurya Yatra, a ceremonial procession organized to honor those who laid down their lives defending the Somnath temple. And then the Prime Minister will also offer prayers at the Somnath temple. This will be followed up by his participation in a public function at about 11 a.m. marking the Swabhiman Parv. Now viewers, later in the day, the Prime Minister will be travelling to Rajkot as well, and this is to attend the vibrant Gujarat Regional Conference for Kutch and Saurashtra region. Now, during the event, the Prime Minister will also announce the development of 14 greenfield smart GIDC estates and inaugurate GIDC Medical Device Park as well in Rajkot. So this is at large what the day is going to look like for Prime Minister as celebrations for Somnath Swabhiman Parv continues. All right, viewers, we're looking at 1,000 years of resilience of civilization, and today Somnath temple stands as a symbol of that resilience, of that unbroken spirit, with Prime Minister Modi leading the celebrations as the nation in fact celebrates Somnath Parv. Today we're going to look like a series of engagements by the Prime Minister, who is going to participate in a Shaurya Yatra as well as address a public function at 11 a.m. In fact, he will also be offering prayers at the Somnath temple. So today, the celebrations are going to look like this. And this, viewers, as the nation marks 1,000 years of resilience, of battling the forces which work against the civilization of India. Remember the story of Somnath. It is not just story of a temple. It is the story of the unbroken, indomitable spirit of a civilization that refuses to bow down to multiple attacks that it has faced. Remember, the first attack came exactly 1,000 years ago in 1026. And since then, multiple attacks have taken place at the Somnath temple, which in fact sits at the northwestern frontier of the country. Remember, a lot of invasions that happened in India happened from the northwest, and Somnath became the victim of those invasions. Time and again, these invaders, right from Alauddin Khilji to Mahmud of Ghazni, they have tried to destroy this temple, but today the temple stands tall as the indomitable spirit of the Hindu civilization. And Prime Minister Modi, in fact, honouring that civilization, honouring the children of Bharat Mata who've laid down their lives to protect this temple. In fact, today we're looking at a very packed day for the Prime Minister. Yesterday, the drone show was witnessed, and today we're looking at a series of engagements, including Shaurya Yatra and him offering prayers at the temple as well.